Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing my favorite, Boxycharm. Pay no attention to my appearance. I am straight out of the gym. But let's get right into it. I did see some spoilers, but again, I never really try and see what specifically I'm getting because I want to be just as surprised as y'all are. Cover it up so I don't see that on the back. The theme this month is whimsy, so let's get into it and see what we have here. We have Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Now this was the item that I chose. It's supposed to refresh moisture and help to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. So I don't know if this is a day moisturizer or a night moisturizer, but I say it constantly. April likes her moisturizers, so it doesn't really smell like anything. It's another one that's messy the second you open it. I am so good at wasting these products. And then we have the Seraphine Botanicals Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. That's interesting. Okay, well, I already see that this has cocoa butter in it, which means it will be going completely unopened into the discard pile. Because as much as I would love a really good lip exfoliator or lip scrub, said it before, I'm allergic to everything. I have so many skin allergies, and one of them is cocoa butter, which is super fun. And then everybody was supposed to get a Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics palette. They had two options, and one had blues and greens in it. That's the one I was hoping for, but this is still really pretty. And I'm not upset because I don't have any Storybooks Cosmetics products. Oh, the swatch is so pretty. I'm definitely not upset about it. I hope this is picking up well, but oh my gosh. Look at how flippin' pretty those colors are. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, definitely not upset. That was Red, Bad Wolf, and Peril. I'm a really big Doctor Who nerd, so the fact that it's called Bad Wolf, just kind of, I get a kick out of that. Someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again. C.S. Lewis. I love fairy tales. I love fairy tales and I love Disney movies. My oldest son was talking to one of his friends and he said, "You haven't seen the Lego movie?" And his friend said, "Of course not. This was a couple years ago when he was like 15. He's about to be 20. And his friend said, "Of course not." And he said, "Oh, that's not normal?" No, most kids don't live in a household where their parents go out of their way to watch cartoons. Then I have a Siete London Marbled Light Halo Illuminating Blush. It says illuminating blusher, but okay. It's not the most pigment, but honestly, I'm pale enough that I don't like really loud blush. I'd rather have something that I have to build, because that way I can not really worry about going too crazy with it. And then the last item we have here is the Brow Bar by Rima? Is that Brow Bar by Rima? True Brow Makeover Kit in dark. Good, because these eyebrows are dark. So we've got, okay, wow. Okay, so it's got a little mirror up here. I don't want to turn that too much. And then it's got your colors right there, I guess, so you can mix your own. Or maybe that's supposed to be like, I don't know. got a little brush that it comes with. And, oh, it's a brow gel. It's a dark brown. It's definitely not a true black. Style your brows like a pro with the Ultimate Brow Kit, designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, so that light color is supposed to be a brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and flat brow brush. I will definitely have to give this a chance. I mentioned it before, I'm just getting into brow products. I'm just getting to a point where I'm trying to kind of see what I can do with myself. Now let's go to the card. So the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette is $35. That's not very shocking to me because I know that the full-size ones can be very, very pricey. Hence why I don't have any. The Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, these things always have the longest names in the world, is $39. It's an anti-aging glacier water cream. We'll definitely try it. I'm always wanting moisturizers. The Saturday, I don't know if I'm saying that right, London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher is $26. The Seraphine Botanicals that I can't use is $24. And the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit is $30. So that's not bad at all. I pretended like I could do the math out loud in my head. That wasn't going to happen. So I'm not adding up the price of the exfoliator because I can't use it. But with the other ones that I can use, that brings the total value of this box to $130. And I'm definitely not mad at that for the price. Like I said, I can't use the lip exfoliator, but other than that, there's nothing in this box that I feel like I won't use. I don't know if I'm at the skill level for the brow bar, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it an attempt at the very least. If nothing else, I'll get use out of the brow mascara that came with it. This, I mean, the swatches are so pretty. So I'm definitely going to be using this. This looks really pretty. I'm going to give it a try. And like I said before, I always love a good moisturizer. So I feel like Boxycharm really, really delivered this month. But as always, I always love hearing y'all's thoughts, y'all's opinions. So that being said, let me know down below what you thought about it. If these are items you think are worthwhile, if these are items you think make it worth the price of the Boxycharm. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As always, I love any feedback you have for me. I always love getting comments. I always try and reply to every comment. I just love hearing from y'all so much. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.